Girl, holding my breath, letting you go, taking you in and loving you so. I see myself next to you. I give you my heart, and I was shooting past the stars. Now we come so far, dreams are just happening, fairy tales that we can bring. It might break my heart and love. Why do you have to leave and break my heart and love like you need to? Why do you have to leave and walk down this road and you fall? So I call your head to me and I say, this young, don't you had to sing, 'cause you don't know you're beautiful, you don't know you need to know. So you just need to hold me close. And it's not over, not that I'm trying to let you go. 'Cause you don't know you're beautiful, I know you're beautiful. Why do you have to leave and break my heart, love like you need to? Why do you have to leave? If death was just a dream, if I was trying to leave, I want your love in my heart. I want your, ain't nobody can tear us apart. Shooting past the stars, I'm left in the dark, holding my heart, letting you go, separated from the life we know. It ain't about the pain, it ain't about the fame. Life as we step in the game, so push past the shame as we're making it brain. Why do you have to leave and break my heart, love like you do? Why do you have to leave and break my heart, love like you need to? Why do you have to leave and break my heart, love like you need to? Why do you have to leave? Why do you have to leave?